A very happy day. Welcome back to Tarot Vibes. I'm Pooja Jain here, and today we have got you October month's reading. So we'll start with the tarot card reading for October month, and we will also do a oracle card with it. So let's begin by shuffling the cards, and I'll be doing a sunshine wise reading. So whatever your sunshine is, if you know the sunshine, then wait for the video to move there, and you can think of the question till then. So if you have any question regarding the month of October, as in how this month would go in your relationship, business, or in your career, or health wise, or whatever the question is, you can just think of the question and then watch the video and wait for your sunshine to turn up, so that way you will know the answer of your question. So we'll start with the first sunshine, that is Aries. So for the people in Aries, this month is too much of hard work as well as too much of stress coming in this month. So you will have a lot of stress coming, like you will not even be able to sleep with that much of tension. So what I would say is stop worrying about things, because the other card says a personal issue reaches resolution. So might be in this month of October there are chances of things getting back in its place, and just because things are getting sorted and getting back to its place, might be that is stressing or worrying you too much. So I suggest you not to get worried and concentrate on what you can do with the situation in hand. Next one is for Taurus. So people born in Taurus, the month of Taurus, your October month, you might have a new business plan or a new source of finance coming in. So if you have any new business plan, please do follow that plan. It will be more helpful for you, or it is going to be a yes for the new business to start. So there is a new source of income coming, or a new source of finance, or a new job. So there is something new with which you would be getting your source of finance. So nothing will come of this situation is the other card. So there might be some situation in your life due to which you're postponing your present plan for starting a business or that new source of income, whatever you wanted to do for it. So whatever thing is stopping you, or whatever thing you're thinking might be will finish this and go, so finishing that will anyways will not give you any solution. So you can right now start with the new business plan whatever you have. So that was for Taurus. Next is for Gemini. People born in Gemini. So all the Geminis, you're worried about your finance. So worrying about your finance is not a bad sign. It's a good sign that you're worrying about finance, because you're worried where to invest or how to save my money, or you're thinking of the money in the positive way as to where to save, where to invest, what can I do with the money I have. And all these are good questions, good signs. So might be you should, it's a time for you to think the right plan where you can put in your money for savings, for future saving, or for investment. So this is the right month, right time. So please go ahead with this. People in Gemini, be bold and make the first move is your other card. So be bold, be brave enough, make that financial decision which you need to take. Might be that's going to help you in long run, for might be a lifetime. In case of relationship, if you're planning to propose someone, or if you're planning to express your emotion to someone, be bold enough and take that first move. That thing will fall in place. So that was for Gemini. Next is for people born in Cancer. So people with sunshine Cancer, uh, I guess you are too much bothered with what people are talking about you, what people are telling behind your back, or whatever people are doing around you. It is bothering you too much. So what I would suggest you is stop listening to what people say. Do your own business and be happy with it, because people will give you 100 comments of whatever you do. And if you keep bothering and if you keep taking tension for each and every comment, I guess that's not going to help you grow up in life. So I guess you should keep aside people's view and go on with your own views. A fierce climax approaches is your oracle card. So there is a chance of something getting end, um or you're waiting for something to end, or some situation going on in your life and you're worried when is it going to end. It's going to end very fast. You wouldn't even realize that it's over, but then it is going to end the way you have expected. So whatever the end is coming, be ready for it and don't bother about what people have to say about you. So that was for Cancer. Next card is for Leo. People born in Leo, you are in too much of urgency to take decisions, to make your own decisions, or whatever thing you have in your hand, you just want to finish it. You want to do 1, 2, 3, everything together. Basically, you are in a very big hurry. So please, while making decisions, don't make it in hurry. Be patient. Take your own time. Be there. Think about it twice and then go ahead. Don't be in urgency telling, okay, fine, we'll do this. You don't take 100 works at a time. Go for one, think good, and go ahead with the decision making thing. Don't be in hurry while deciding thing. Your dreams need a practical plan as your other card. So might be you have some dreams in your mind or something is going on in your mind, but then you're wondering why is it not happening. It's not happening because you aren't practically prepared for it. So please write down a practical plan. Think what you're going to do, where you're going to start. You're going to start small or start big. So once you write down the plan, that way it will help you more to achieve your dreams fast. So that's for Leo. So the next card is for Virgo. So people born in Virgo, the cards are here. So you will have a new emotional beginning this month. So if you're single, might be you get a proposal. If you're into a relationship, might be your relationship takes a new turn and brings in that romance which was missing. And there is a new beginning of relationship. So business wise, I can tell there might be a partnership coming, or there might be somebody who's going to help you. So surrender to the divine is your other card. So do whatever, but do little meditation and leave the rest to the God, and do your hard work, do your share of work, and rest you can just surrender yourself or leave it up to the divine, because his plans are his plans. We cannot interfere in his plans. So I'll suggest you to do the best and then let it go to the God or to the supreme power, whomever you believe. So they will help you in your plans. So that was for people born in Virgo. The next one is for Libra. So people born in Libra, this month is going to be really good in terms of finance or in terms of your business, career, whatever it is. The way you wish for, you'll be earning so much, and the hard work you put in might be double of it you earn, as well as your commitment is being tested. So whatever you're committed to, or whatever things you tell and you aren't going to do, then it's not going to help you. So whatever you tell or whomever you're committed to with your business proposals or business things, that is going to be tested. So please be ready to fulfill all those words what you've told already. So that was for Libra. Next is for Scorpions. So people born in the people born in the sign of Scorpio, this is for you. So this month you will be blessed with whatever you think, whatever plans you're going to make, that's going to help you more in achieving it double. So make good plans, make good decisions, decide on things fast, and do whatever you thought of in this month. It is going to be the best time to get the returns double. It's time to take action is your other card. So whatever plans you had in your mind until today you haven't implemented anything, it's time to take the action, and it's time that you make the foolproof plan and go ahead, because anything you do this month is going to click good. So that was for Scorpio. Next is for Sagittarius. People born in the month of Sagittarius, in the sunshine of Sagittarius, you're very much slow at deciding for emotional things. So if you're an emotional person and you don't know how to express your emotions, or you don't know how to take decisions when it is your relationship or in the matter of something which your emotions are connected to, you're a little immature at deciding it. So I would ask you to take people's help around, ask them how did they go through that phase of life. Might be that will help you more. You're too creative, so your creativity is going to help you to do good this month. Don't let your past hold you back. So because this is an emotional card, Might be some of you are suffering with the past, so I'd ask you to just forget your past. Don't let your past hold you back to or in your past. Just let go of your past and go ahead. So that will help you in expressing your emotions good. So that was for Sagittarius. Next is for Capricorns. So people born in Capricorns, you have loads of hard work. Your hard work will not be appreciated, but your hard work will be paid good. So do your hard work and leave the rest. Don't wait for appreciations, because the end of the day money is what matters. So your amount will increase, but no good words are going to come for you. So just leave that, do your best and wait for the returns to come. What do you need to release is the other card. So might be you're too stressed working, so it's time to release your negativity, to release your stress in your mind, and I would suggest you to do some meditation or do something which brings peace to your mind. That will help you more this month. So that was for Capricorns. Next is for Aquarius. So people born in the month of, people born in the sunshine, Aquarius. People with Aquarius sunshine, you will be blindly worried for things. There is nothing for you to worry, but still you did be like, no, I will worry about the situation. Why is it happening? Why is it happening? You know it is not in your control, and you also know that the situation is just temporary, but still you're worried so much. I'd ask you to just leave the situation there and stop worrying about it. It will turn to a smooth time for you to pass by. Have faith in your dreams. So whatever dreams you have, just have faith in them. Don't doubt on your own dreams. Don't doubt on your own talent. Just have faith in them. They're going to work quite soon. So that was for Aquarius. Next is for Pisces. So people born in the sunshine, Pisces, you are a little depressed. You're worried about your emotions, or you're worried about uh, not being taken care of. There are some emotional issues as well as kind of a depression issue to sort out. So I would suggest you to take care of yourself, talk to your loved ones, communicate. Don't just cut the connections like that. Talk to them, might be things will change. Accept powerful change. So there is a change coming up in your life, a very big change. So stay ready for it. If you're losing something, don't hesitate to lose it. Or if you're gaining something new and you have to change your lifestyle, life sets, don't hesitate to change. This change is for good. Accept the change and embrace it the way it is coming to you. So this is the sunshine reading for the month of October. So people born in October, a very happy birthday to you. Have a happy month ahead, as well as the sunshines are said with their oracle cards also. So hope this reading helps you. I also teach tarot cards and I do take personal readings. So if you have personal queries, do WhatsApp me on the same number and I did get back to you shortly. As well as please do like this video, share this video with your friends, and do comment and let me know is it resonating with you or no. And thanks for watching this video. Have a happy day.